Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, come back with me Huma Muashir, and in this video we want to make a mini project like simple table on Visual Studio Code with Laravel framework. Okay, first of all we must to create a new project, and then we open the project that we has make it. And first we must to create a model for this project. Okay, type this php artisan make model, simple make model table min m like this. Okay, enter this. Okay, after that we must to create a controller for this project too. php artisan make controller, and we name it simple controller min r. Okay, we enter this. Okay, we have to create a model and controller. After that we open the file in database, and then we make a migration, and we open the table, and we must to fill the column, and we name table string this and name. And after that we have to make a name and then address. After that number font, and we name it integer. Okay, we save this, and we have to continue to the table. We open this in app model table. Protect we must do it the dollar like this, and that. Protect is guarded. Okay, like this. After that we save this. After that we must to create a views for this project in the resort, and we open the views, and we make a new file table.php. Okay, after that we take a table from Bootstrap. We open the Bootstrap and search table, and we copy the code. We paste in the our blade like this. Okay, so that we delete this, because we must to create for each for this, or looping data from controller. Oh, Okay, after that we must to make a root for this in folder root and web php. After that we type root resource this and table, and we tap our controller that we has make simple controller class. Okay, after that we save this and we must to open our controller in HTTP controllers and symbol controllers, and we fill this with as title like table or simple table, and we make a variable for our project like table, and we take the data from our model in table like this. We get all the data. After that we return the view, return view table, this from this blade. Okay, and we compact the variable like title and table, and we close this. Okay, after that we save this and turn the into our table, and we rename this like name, and then address, and then number phone. Okay, after that we must to create a for each for this. Okay, for each s table s this. After that we must to change this with we get the data from ID. After that we get the name with name. After that we get an address, address. After that we get the number phone, number phone. Okay, this. After that we close the for each with add and for each. TRT. Okay, after that we save this. After that we must to create a new data, and we have to create a controller. In story we make a controller for to add a data for our project. Like this, we must to type our model like table create to enter this, and we type our parameter like name, as request name, and address as request address. After that, number phone request number phone. Okay, then we close this and we return the view, return redirect to home. Okay, after that we save this and we open our blade, and we must to add a model for this, and we take it from bootstrap and we set this model. And we copy the button and we this to this, and we name it add data, and we get the model. After that we must to change this name like add data, and after that we make a form from this, and we create an form, this form, form action, table dot store, after that we give the method post csrf like this. After that we make a div plus and we name it with label for name and class form label name like this. After that we add an input like this, input type text, and the name is name, and we give the class form control ID, and then we copy this to the address and number phone. Number phone. And we change the name, address, and number phone. Okay, after that we save this and we change the type for the save button, submit like this, and we save this. Okay guys, we can continue our project for the next video, and we close this project. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.